there have been allegations that some members of Congress nakatanggap ng envelope, nakatanggap ng maleta. Ito'y naibigay, kung hindi sa opisina, sa townhouse. No, let me finish.
There's
You
a
will have
point
your
of
turn
order,
because
the
this is
Honorable
bearing.
Sutay.
This is not an allusion
Order.
to prejudge the veracity of the allegations.
Honorable Suntay, there is a point of order.
This is also a
And
point
that
of order,
enjoys the
Madam
highest
Chair.
hierarchy among all the
What is
motions.
the relevancy of this speech?
No.
To the determination of sufficiency in form?
Madam Chair, this is very relevant because we are
Please, Honorable Suntay, please wait until he finishes with his point of order. The Honorable Terry Ridon is recognized. Kindly use a microphone which is okay.
Madam Chair, the speech of our distinguished colleague is absolutely relevant to the question of sufficiency of form and substance in the matter. And more importantly, my understanding of what he's stating today is that he's probably accusing members of Congress, members of the House Committee on Justice, as receiving payments for the implementation of our mandate in the impeachment proceeding. So, which is which, Madam Chair? So I think his speech is out of order and this should be decided promptly by the committee.
Okay, we heard the basis of the point of order of the Honorable Terry Ridon. Now we shall hear the answer of the Honorable Suntay.
Yes, Madam Chair. Ang problema sa
Kindly
kaibigan ko,
justify the relevance of your
He is
statement to the
jumping the
current
gun.
impeachment proceedings.
he is jumping the gun. This is actually relevant not only in the determination of form and substance. This is relevant in the impartiality, in determining the impartiality of this hearing, which is very important. Madam Chair, this is not an accusation. Kaya nga, kung hinintay lang ako patapusin, ewan ko, bakit naman yung aking kaibigan, naggagalaiti ka agad at concern na concern. You know, if we have nothing to hear, then we just listen. If we are not being alluded, why are we so guilty?